What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we've got the kayak today, and we've got light gear, 2 crab pots and 1 gidgee and a couple burley and baits and whatnot. And I've got the snorkeling gear to get in the water and see if we can grab some crabs. Our target species today is obviously blue swimming crabs from that crab net, maybe even a couple herring, see if I see anything good to spear, and yeah, might go home, maybe cook it up, depends if we turn out good today. But yeah, come along with us and hopefully it's a good little session out there. Yoo-hoo, let's get out there. We're out. We're probably gonna go roughly between these couple moorings out here, and we're gonna see if there's any blue manna crabs, such as blue swimmers, out for a little feed. And I'm gonna hunt you down. Let's get to a spot and probably even belly up for some herring. You. So I just put my light gear out the back there just to see if we can get a couple herring and whatnot going, and then I'll grab my bait my crab pots up and throw them out here, and probably later on get in the water. So yeah, hope we get some. Unraveling the pots now, getting them all set up. Beautiful. That over there. Alright, let's bait them up. Alright, we just dropped one pot over this side here, and we're gonna get the next one out in a minute. Tying on a squid jig now, see if there's any squid getting around. We've just dropped that second pot in, so yeah, let's hope for the best. See how that swims. Alright, I might be going in a drink to see if we can get some crabs from the bottom. I've tried the squid jig. I've just pulled one pot, there was nothing in there. But we're gonna give it a go. I'll shake this burley trail back up. But yeah, gonna probably get suited up, hop in a drink, and see what we can find. Yeah, boy. Let's go! Let's get in there. I'm keen. Yeah, boy. Yoo-hoo. Right. Fuck one of those butteries out. Maybe put it on one of those pots. Let's get this gidgee going. boy, first crab legal. First legal crab on the board. You're joking, I'm stoked. Straight back into the ice. Yeah, boy. Just hop back in now. I've just searched the whole area around my kayak, left, right and centre. No more crabs, only small ones. So we ended up getting obviously that little one here. So that's the crab we ended up getting. This is a nice specimen. And measured up to just size. It's pretty cool. Let's probably move forward, drop a few pots around these sand. I don't know if I'll hop back in the drink, no. Maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, the clarity's not the best out there. It's not. It looks good. It looks good from the bottom top, but when you go down there, it doesn't look nice. But yeah, let's go and see if we can cover more ground. Alright, so we're just gonna unhook now from that buoy. And we're gonna just drop those couple pots straight through this little centre line and probably use the squid jig and just drift through them while we wait for the pots. But yeah, let's go. We just dropped one pot right there. We're gonna go drop this one just a touch deeper, and we're gonna go for some squid. So yeah, let's give it a crack. Just cast out the squid rod. Got one pot out there, one pot there. I might drop one here. I might pull one of those up on my neck when I need to, obviously. And go drop one here. It looks real nice and deep here. I reckon it's a good spot. So next pull, I'll probably put them right there. We're just gonna go check this pot, see if we have any good crabs in there. Little bluey, oh, he just went out. Little blue swimming, that's it. Just gonna go over here and drop him a little bit further out. That might be the end of it. Wasn't really that good out here. I mean, we got one crab. But yeah, that's about it. Not in here. Oh well. Pack away. We're gonna go grab that last pot and pack it up. Then we'll make our way back to the shoreline. And I'll get you guys with us when we pull these pots though. Imagine a massive crab just to finish it off. We got one legal one, went for a nice dive. Had a flick for some, what do you call it? Had a flick for some squid and whatnot, but that's about it. Yeah boy. Up to the final pot. We're gonna pull this one. This one was sitting on the weed. Not a single blue manna. that's a wrap for this video, guys. I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was a very sloppy one, I guess. We only got, what, one size crab, a couple of little small ones. Tried and flicked and flicked and flicked for literally calamari and over literally their habitat over this weed, and not even one follow-up and not even one hookup, which is very unfortunate. But the weather and the scenery is really nice out here. I got in just before that southwester comes back, and it won't be nice in about an hour or two. You can see how it's changing just over there if the camera picks it up. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. See you in the next one.